You are welcome back. Life cycle of human blood flakes. Flakes of the genus Schistosoma parasitize two hosts. The young hatch from their eggs in rivers and lakes and enter a specific kind of aquatic snail where they develop into tadpole-like larvae called Saccharia. When the Saccharia leave the snail, they burrow through the skin of a human host, swimming or wading in infested water. Adult fluke mature in the host bloodstream and settle in the veins of the gut. Their eggs, deposited in the lining of the human intestine and bladder, pass back into water via the sewage system, and the cycle begins again. More than 200 million people worldwide suffer from schistosomiasis, a disease characterized by the abscesses and bleeding caused by the fluke's infestation. In parasitism, the parasites can be of varying types, among which are the following: ectoparasites, that is parasites living in the outside of the host tissue. For example, tick, lice, among animals parasites, and dodder, a plant parasite. Endoparasite, that is a parasite that lives in the inside of the host tissue. For example, tapeworm, roundworm, malaria parasite, or plasmodium. Bacteriophages, which are viruses that attack bacteria. Examples of plant parasites are mosquito and dodder, which is otherwise called cuscuta, and many other fungal and bacterial parasites. Examples of animal parasites include tapeworm, roundworm, plasmodium, lice, jigger, and tick, and bedbug. The diagram below is showing the Ebola virus infections, how Ebola virus infects human body. Much research remains to be carried out on the Ebola virus, a highly infectious and deadly virus that spread through the use of unsterilized needles, through contact with an infected individual, or the corpse of someone who has died from the disease. About 1 week after infection, the virus begins attacking blood and liver cells. As the disease swiftly progresses, the virus may destroy vital organs such as the liver and kidneys, leading to massive internal bleeding, shock and respiratory arrest soon follow, then death. Currently, there is no vaccine to prevent infection and no drugs to halt the disease. Now let's look at the mutualism. Mutualism is a type of association which is beneficial to all the species involved, none loses. It is a mode of life. Some common examples of mutualism include: 1. Relationship between legumes and nitrogen. 2. Fixing bacteria or rhizobium in their root nodules of leguminous plants. 3. Association between termites and the protozoan inhabiting their gut. 4. Lichens, which is an association between algae and fungi. Then 5. Mycorrhiza, which is an association between plant roots and fungi. We shall be back after this short break.